Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for MyEther wallet. MyEther wallet is a free open source client-side interface for generating Ethereum wallets. It can be also used to buy cryptocurrencies and store it in a safe and secure manner. Now firstly, you need to download the app of MyEther wallet from the Play Store or the App Store. After you download it and install it in your device, you need to open it. From here, you need to click on create a free wallet and then click on create a wallet. Firstly, enter in a PIN. Now as it says, your wallet is ready. Now you can click on start using new wallet. Now from here, you can either choose to back up your wallet or you can click on I will risk it. That way your wallet will not be backed up. And just like that, you have signed up for MyEther wallet. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next